Hello, this is Adam Opoka with Rivet Customer Success, and I want to go over the help that is afforded to you while you're in the Rivet application. Here, in the lower right side of your Rivet experience is the Resource Center. When you click on Resource Center, you're going to access the Resource Center drawer. That includes things like the Rivet fundamentals. These are basic moves in Rivet, like how to navigate through the Rivet application, how to edit a worker, how to use the schedule drawer. This also includes how to add the Rivet application as an icon on your mobile device, as well as how to bookmark Rivet in the browser of your desktop computer. That's here in Rivet Fundamentals. We also have the Rivet Playbook, which is an extensive list of all the different moves in Rivet that you can make. The Rivet Playbook includes interactive tutorials. When you click the targets, you'll advance to the next step. The first piece of training here is how to search the playbook. Will be brought down here. As an example, if you hit Control or Command plus F to search for something in your browser, in this case, terminate, you'll see how this works in this Rivet Playbook. So we'll click in the tutorial to advance to the next step. And in this example, if we search for terminate, we'll be brought to see terminated and back office staff on the workforce table, and we'll also be brought to a tutorial on how to terminate a worker. You can also do that in real time. If we search here for terminate, we return the same results. And what these tutorials will do is walk you through step by step. By clicking in the tutorial, it will take you through how to search for the worker. Click on that worker's name, then you'll click on the employment status, and you'll be able to change that to terminated. That's also housed here in the Resource Center. You'll also have access to the Rivet Help Center, and this is every article that we've ever written to help people with Rivet. So if you search in here for something like schedule, you get every article regarding any scheduling moves in Rivet. The Rivet Video Tutorial Library will take you to a YouTube playlist with 78 videos. A lot of these videos are under a minute. We really try and keep these videos under 2 minutes long. Some of them are a little longer. But here is a list of all the moves in Rivet. Very extensive training here that's self-paced that you can access on your own time. That's the Rivet Resource Center. And then, of course, another piece of help that you have in the application is here with the Chat with Rosie button in the bottom left. Here, you'll come through and ask a question, and somebody that works at Rivet, a real live person, will be able to reply to you. This is an example of my inbox here. And we'll be conversing with you here if you have any questions that aren't answered or you need a little deeper dive on. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team. And I hope the rest of your day is great.